Today I'm at the Western Lake Chinese restaurant. This is celebrating Chinese New Year week. So when you go out for dim sum during Chinese New Year, remember 3 things. So let's go inside and check it out, and I'll tell you what the 3 things are. They call it the beef offal meats with the steamed rice rolls. So it's basically different kind of meats with beef brisket, innards, tripe, and sinews. Like a big, huge piece of sinew. So when you don't cook it properly, it tastes like rubber. But when you simmer it, it gets nice and tender. It just melts in your mouth. Wow. Wow. That's nice and tender. Served with some fantastic steamed rice rolls. Look at that, look at that. Look at these rice rolls infused with all the sauces of the stew here. So this is our, I think, our 3rd New Year's dim sum. So when you start the new year, you got to celebrate as many days as you can with dim sum, with lunch, with the dinner. So we're just gonna keep it going. I'm fishing at the bottom. We got a nice piece of brisket here. It's infused with a lot of sauce. So a lot of sauce. They make it nice and big chunks. Look at that. Look at that. Just soak up all the sauces there. Look at that. Look at that. Soak up all the sauces here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this beef brisket stew. Oh, it's nice and shiny. It's got all the sauces infused into the beef. Wow. This melts in your mouth. Where's the beef? The beef is right here. Prawn hargao. It's one of the best in the city. They're large, they're plump, they're huge, they're juicy. Look at that, look at that. So this server said her friend saw me and my mom on YouTube. So she saw herself as well. So she wants to find out my YouTube handle. So this restaurant, we like it, so we come back and we do a lot of YouTube shows. So, oh, she recognized me. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah. So this is the prawn hargao. Look at how big that is. It's huge. So when you eat this, use your spoon, the Chinese spoons, like a forklift. Otherwise, you can't get it to your mouth. That's juicy. Hoiping, that's a neighbor. Yeah, the neighbor. Yeah, a little bit different. Yeah. So she's from Hoiping, so the neighboring area in southern China. We're neighbors. We're one of the 4 counties: Hoiping, Hoiping, Sanhui, and Yinping. So we're known as 4 counties. We speak the similar dialect. So this is the rock salt chicken. So this is the free range chicken. They steam it with the rock salt. It's got lots of flavor. It's one of my mom's favorite. Long drumstick. We're having dim sum. She's having some nice juicy chicken. Look at that juicy pieces of chicken. Look at that. That chicken is really moist. You can tell it's got all the juices oozing out from the chicken. Look at that. So this chicken, it's free range chicken. It's got the rock salt flavor. It goes fantastic with the rice. Look at that. What a combination. The rice is like a canvas to put all your food on. So be sure to dip your chicken in the chili oil. They give you a little chili oil. It works great with this chicken. 3 things to remember when you celebrate Chinese New Year. Eat, eat, and eat. We like to drink the pu'er tea, also known as bole or hune in Cantonese. No, it's grease cutter tea. When you eat spicy foods or fatty foods, it really cuts through the grease. still want to wish all our viewers all the best in the new year. Health, wealth, and prosperity, and all the good stuff. Today we have a recipe for steam free-range chicken. This chicken is very moist, juicy, and tender. First, rinse the chicken in cold water. Then sprinkle some salt all over the chicken, including the cavity. I'm using a natural sea salt. Then I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped ginger. I'm going to put that in the cavity of the chicken. I'm going to bring up some flavor by putting some sauce in a cavity. So you can use any kind of bean sauce. You can use hoisin sauce. So here I'm using chiho paste, which is also a bean sauce with fermented bean curd. Next, I'm going to wash 1 or 2 stalks of green onions. So fold the green onions and put it into the center of the cavity. So this is going to bring some nice fragrance to the chicken. To add some nice flavor, sprinkle some spice powder all over the chicken. Bring some water to a boil. Make sure there's lots of boiling water in the bottom. So put the chicken in the pan. Cover the chicken and steam for 25 to 30 minutes, or longer, depending on the size of the chicken. And then once you shut off the heat, let the chicken continue to be covered for another 15 to 20 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Looks really good. Let the chicken cool off for at least 15 minutes. In the meantime, prepare your ginger and green onion topping.
For the topping, we have 6 stalks of green onions we chop up really fine. And here on the right we have a couple pieces of ginger we cut up really fine as well.
So I'm going to stir fry the topping right now. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I've got peanut oil. So I got it on medium heat, medium-high heat. So first you stir fry the chopped ginger. I've got about 1.5 cups of chopped ginger in here. So the ginger and green onion topping you can put on the chicken, or you can serve it on the side. Now I'm going to put some salt in, like the sea salt here. So I'll put about maybe a teaspoon or so. You like it saltier, put more salt. I'm going to put a little bit of this sesame oil. Sesame oil has a little nice fragrance. So I'll put about a teaspoon or a tablespoon in there. Now I'm going to put the chopped green onions in just before serving. You can serve the topping on top of the chicken, or you can serve it on the side so your guests can just scoop it themselves. So either way, depending on how you like it. To cut the chicken, first cut the chicken in half lengthwise. Next, you cut off the drumstick at the joint. Next, you use your knife to cut off the thigh, and then chop the thigh into bite-sized pieces. So this is an easy step. Just cut off the wing at the joint. Same thing with the drumette. Cut off the drumette at the joint. Now we're going to cut the white meat. So cut the body of the chicken in half lengthwise, and then cut into small pieces. Cut the chicken this way for both sides. Chicken cooked this way is moist, tender, with lots of flavor. So there you have it. Steamed free-range chicken, Cantonese style. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.